have process sharing. This issue is for teacher Luobo's OC Ninki's impermanence. Was doing only this category. I feel that teacher Luobo's OC is particularly cute, so I asked the teacher. The teacher agreed very quickly. After that, just draw it on the board. Then split it up and give it to the teacher. The teacher liked it very much after watching it. I will ask teacher Luobo later. Can I pet his lamb? The teacher also agreed very quickly. Thank you very much, teacher Luobo. Let me touch the shadow and get addicted to the hand. Finally, it's the beginning of handwork. A lot of problems occurred. I found that the color difference was very different after printing the painting. Many details have also been swallowed up. In the end, I changed many printing shops. It only took a long time. Finally decided on the color. The color difference compared to the previous ones. It's quite a combination of primary colors. What you see now is this. It is a result of selection. Who knows? But after I printed it for the first time and saw the color difference, about to be burned to death. Do it yourself. Fortunately, I finally found a store that didn't have too much color difference. When I first started drawing Ninki, got the wrong hair color. I thought Ninki's hair was yellow. So much so that when the photo came out, it was completely orange. I want to make myself laugh stupidly. Teacher Liubo is very tolerant. Didn't say anything the whole time. Really good. At present, Zhao Yang and Nikki have already finished it. It's just that the recording process by Zhao Yang was accidentally deleted, so I can't share it with you all. Because I sorted out the materials myself and then bought them. Later I discovered other awesomes. Dear teachers, you can actually make removable hats and bags. Then I realized that I still need to buy magnetic tablets. The process is really cumbersome and boring. I bought these and it seems to be totally worth it now. That sense of accomplishment after you've done it well makes me really happy. If you want to do this kind of thing, you can ask me what materials to buy. Because one person can find all these things, it's really a bit troublesome. Regarding glue, I feel like only the entrance to the house is more useful. Because other glues will burn the plastic film. As a result, other places are completely white. When the house is dry, it can be deducted. But the premise is that it is sealed in plastic. Otherwise, the original pattern will still be deducted. Okay, that's about it for this issue. The only display at the back is a finished product.